This installation requires a potable cold water supply for automatic ice makers and auto pitcher operations. Shut off the main water supply. Install a shutoff valve between the water valve and cold water pipe. Connect the plastic tubing between the house's cold water line supply and the water connection location at the front of the unit. Turn on the main water supply and flush debris. Run about a quart of water through the tubing into a bucket. Shut off water supply with the shutoff valve. For installing each unit, you will need an 8-foot water line. Tubing should be long enough to extend to the front of the unit. Allow enough tubing to accommodate bin leading into the water line connection. Tip the unit gently on its side to route water line underneath and to the front of the appliance. Only use the GE Appliances approved tubing that is supplied in the Smart Connect refrigerator tubing kits or copper tubing. Tape the water line to the wall and floor approximately 3 inches to the left of the anti-tip bracket. Apply tape about every 5 inches toward the front of the opening. Do not tape near the cabinet front in order to pull and keep the tubing hidden under the unit. To prepare the unit, place a unit in front of the installation opening in a way that the unit is in front of the intended installation location. To connect the water supply, locate and bring the tubing to the front of the cabinet. Remove strain relief screw to allow for enough slack to make a proper water connection. Set the screw aside to replace later. Insert the molded end of the tubing into the refrigerator or to the freezer connection. Tighten the compression nut until it is just hand tight. Follow the instructions provided with the tubing. Over-tightening may cause leaks. Turn on the water and check for leaks.